Hello everyone, I am Sarah Estaong, 17 from Humes 11-3, your future representative.
What are the top 3 qualities you think a representative should have?
The first 3 that come into mind are a critical thinker, a consistent leader, and a listener. Unang-una, a representative should be a critical thinker. Critical thinking helps us create smart decisions. This would aid representatives in assessing projects and programs that are crucial to the Republic. This lets us provide you with the best service possible. Ikadua, consistent. Consistency simply means devoting yourself to your goals and remaining focused on the steps necessary to achieve those goals. Like they say, consistency is a crucial driver for success. Ikatatlo, a good listener. Open communication and consideration of all ideas develop an environment that is both creative and collaborative. A good leader, or a good representative rather, is someone who can accept suggestions and adapt to the ever-changing circumstances. If I were to be a representative, I will listen to your concerns and use my position wisely to deliver these concerns to the Republic. I will be the one to raise your voices. I will advocate for you.
Here's a question for you, Rep. What made you decide to run for reforms in your high school representative, even though you knew it was a bigger risk and required more responsibility?
I was previously a student council officer in junior high school, and ever since I was introduced to student leadership here in CPU, my love for serving the Centralian community has also grown. Currently, as a staff of the CPR Ministry of Finance, I witnessed firsthand how driven and dedicated they were to their work. I learned so much working under them, and I carry these lessons and experiences with me. I know that if I were given a higher position, I could still do so much more for you, my fellow Centralians. Which is why, despite the greater risk and responsibilities that await me, I am eager to become your representative.
As an aspiring representative, how would you handle the pressure brought by the preceding representatives from Reform Party?
Given that the previous department representatives were from Reform, there is a certain pressure to keep up, especially considering how well they performed during their terms. But it's a good type of pressure. They are a blessing to me, my seniors. They have provided me guidance and they share the knowledge they learned while in office to me. And for that, I will always be grateful for them. So rather than being afraid, I see this pressure as a motivator to succeed.